I think I have made my decision. I am moving to the mountains. Hello. 6:30 a.m. right now. I have my flight in 2.5 hours. I woke up at 4:30 for 45ish, and I had not packed a single thing. This is all of this that you see in the packing cubes. I did it in the morning after taking the shower, so I'm exhausted and I can't wait to sleep in the cab, in the plane, and then again at the airport. Oh, by the way, I'm going to Beav. I'm moving to Beav. Insane. I hate packing so much, and I always procrastinate till the last moment. It's already 6:30. I should have left like half an hour ago, but let's see. I have finally packed everything, at least according to me. It is done. I think I packed better this time, like way better than last time. Doesn't look bad. And this is also done. Yep. Just need to keep these two in and that in, and then I'm done. At Delhi metro station right now. And भाई क्या करनी है यहाँ पे? Drastic change from Bangalore to Delhi. Oh my god. So I'm at this hostel in Delhi. I have my bus to be at 7:40, so I decided to like take a dorm bed for like 3-4 hours because it's too hot and I didn't wanna like go outside anywhere. I ate food in Kareem's. The biryani was mid, and now I'm here. There's no electricity and it's so fucking hot. It's like 50 degrees for real. And yeah, but it's a good place. It's a nice place. 3 more hours and then I again have to travel for like 14 hours bus journey. So basically my sleep is so fucked because yesterday I slept at 2, woke up at 4:45, and plane I just can't sleep in flight. Doesn't happen. And I can't sleep right now also because it's too hot. So yeah.
ਆਈਏ ਕਿਤਾ ਜਦ ਵਾਪਸ ਜਿਆਦਾ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤੜੀ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਤਾਂ ਬੁਢਾਪੇ ਵੇਲਾ ਵਾਂ ਚੋ ਚੰਨੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਮਾਂ ਤੇ ਪੀੜੇ ਗੜੀ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਵੀ ਦੀ ਨੌਰ ਦੀ ਦੀਆਂ
More than a month.
It's been more than a month.
More than a month.
Oh yeah, it's been almost exactly
a
a month.
month,
Yeah.
Damn.
Nice. Hello from Himachal. So that was my entire moving day from Bangalore to Delhi, and I'm pretty sure what you guys are thinking. You guys are probably wondering after watching all that moving as to why did I have to move to the mountains in the first place. Like I could have just stayed in Bangalore where the city is more familiar and I have most of my friends there, or I could have just gone back to Nagpur, which is where my parents' house is, and I could have stayed in the comfort of my home, saved up on rent, food, etc. But hear me out. So the first time I came to Beer was on my 3-week solo Himachal backpacking trip in April, and Beer was my first stop. And as soon as I came here, I loved the city. Like sometimes you have this connect to a place, right? And I just had that with Beer, and I kept extending my stay. Like I was initially gonna be here for just 3 days, then fourth day happened, then fifth day happened, and I just didn't want to leave. And then this is like I felt like a very homely vibe with the like attached to the city, similar to what I'd felt with South Goa last year. And by the end of my 3 weeks trip, I realized like my entire June month, I don't have any commitments, so I can basically work out of anywhere I want. And obviously, my first option was Nagpur. I had thought about it. I thought how I can, in order to travel more, I can just save up on my rent and food expenses and all of that by staying home, which is why also I had moved out of my apartment in Bangalore and I was just staying at my friends' places whenever I was in Bangalore, to just come and go, like come and do laundry and then go back. And yeah, so Nagpur was my first choice. But then when I'd gone back to Nagpur before my 3 weeks Himachal trip, I was there for 2 weeks and I realized I was just lazing the entire time. Like I was so unproductive, there was no discipline, probably because there was no sense of responsibility. And I knew that, my laundry is gonna get done and I'm gonna get food on time. I don't have to think about what I have to eat next and all of that. So I thought that this is just not a good, like not the best idea. And then obviously I went back to Bangalore after my trip, and I was still contemplating as to should I just stay in Bangalore in June or go somewhere else. I was in Bangalore. I really liked, like again going back to Bangalore after so long, because again it's a very familiar place and I've spent most of my adult years there, so I really like the city as well. But then I realized that I just cannot stick to one place. I have to keep moving and have to like keep exploring. And so there were two options in my head. One was South Goa and second was Beer. But then after a lot of contemplation, I was in Lakshadweep. I was sitting by the beach around 20th May, and I just finally made up my mind that it has to be Beer, because I love mountains. And the best part about Beer is, even in monsoons, it's the safest place in Himachal. Like it's the safest place to be in Himachal. And there are tons of possibilities to just go around, explore, hike up a mountain and come back. So I was like, it has to be. And then I made my decision. I booked my tickets, and on 31st I moved from Bangalore, and then I was here in Beer on 1st. So yeah, I'm in Beer right now, and after today is 11th, so it's been 10-11 days that I've been here. And although in the start, like the first initial days, I was still not very sure about it, and I was planning to just go to other places in Himachal to explore, which I had not yet before, because I was just not really feeling that that I have to stick here. But then as days passed by, and then just hit me that like it felt like home, and I cannot describe that feeling, but I'm so glad that it finally happened, because right now I'm just really at peace with where I am. And to conclude all of it, there are majorly three reasons as to why I chose Beer. So there are three reasons as to why I chose to move from the city to the mountains. First, why I chose to move in the first place, the reason behind that is, since the last 7 months I have constantly been traveling, and it was just my entire schedule or my routine looked like this. I used to pack in Bangalore, go travel, come back, do laundry, pack again, and then leave again. And it just happened, it just kept on happening. And I was in Bangalore at one stretch for hardly like a week max. That's like in rarest possibilities. I was traveling that much, and although I'm really grateful for that life and to be able to travel so often and explore so many places, it gets exhausting. I'm not gonna lie. It looks very glamorous from the outside, and people used to text me, "Oh, you're living the dream life," but sometimes your mental health does get affected because of so much moving and not having a stable routine. So after doing all of that, and after finally going to Himachal for 3 weeks, so Himachal was basically my birthday gift to myself on turning 22. I turned 22 in April, and after that, a week later, I left for Himachal. And after that, I felt so satisfied with all the travels that I'd done. Like it was a good closure, and I wanted like a little sort of a break, where I can also figure things out, and maybe just chill the fuck out for a while, right? So that was the most important reason as to why I chose to move in the first place, because I want to take a break and I want to also be near the nature at the same time. So Beer was perfect for that, which brings me on to my second reason as to why I chose Beer and not any other place. That's because Beer is like a perfect blend of a city and a countryside. So it has all the amenities, like it has good supermarkets, it has great cafes, amazing sundowners and weekend, all of that you have in your city, but also is very close to the nature, and it has mountains all around. It has the Dholada range where you can just explore so many things. It has great communities, which has like cycling communities and running communities and amazing gyms, and so many places that are nearby, and you can just go for like a 2 day trip to explore around. So it was like a perfect, like, best of both worlds for me, where I could also have a stable routine and be close to the nature. That is the reason why I chose Beer. Thirdly, after extensively traveling so much in the south, I finally wanted to explore north now, and Beer is such a convenient place to be at if you want to travel more in the north, because there's great connectivity, and you can just take up a bus from here to Delhi and then go around wherever you want, or just take a direct bus from here to Manali and just go north, further north, wherever you want to. So yeah, that's basically it, why I moved to Beer and why I moved in the first place to the mountains. So yeah, it's been, as I said, 10 days now that I've moved here, and although it had its own ups and downs and I was not very sure in the start, I'm at such a much better place right now about feeling, like attaching that a sense of home to Beer. And it's a very new feeling, because the last time when I moved to a new city was in 2021. It's 2024 right now, so it's been 3 years after living in Bangalore, and it's a change. And yeah, I want to take you along with me on this journey of like moving to a new city, and how does the change feel, especially in the mountains, because that's something that I'm not very used to. But yeah, I think it's gonna be pretty exciting, and I already have so much to share from these 10 days, the past 10 days, that have been, again, a roller coaster, which is why I love the mountains. Like, it's so fucking unpredictable. But so I'm just looking forward to sharing much more insights from my time in Himachal, and let's see how that goes. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Prayer flags at different places. And the... Bye, Zara.